The good news about Jesus, as come to Luke chapter 9 from verse 28 to verse 36. Moses and Elijah come chat to Jesus. About 8 days after Jesus said this, him take Peter, John and James go up in a one mountain for pray. Same time Jesus a pray, him face start look different and him clothes start shine bright like when lightning flash. All of a sudden, 2 men, Moses and Elijah, show up and a chat with him. One bright light did a shine around them, and them did a talk about how Jesus a got dead in a Jerusalem. All them time Peter and Jesus other 2 followers them did fast asleep. When they wake up, they see the 2 men them a turn up with Jesus and one light a shine around him. When the man them make for left, Peter said to Jesus, "Teacher, a good thing say we did there. Make we build up 3 sheds, one for you, one for Moses, and the next one for Elijah." Peter never really know what him a talk about. Same time Peter chat, one cloud come down, come cover them up, and them catch them afraid. Then them hear one voice in the cloud say, "This am a boy pitney. A him me pick, only fi listen when him say." As the voice done talk, them see say a Jesus one did there. Jesus special follower them not tell nobody where them see and hear that time they. Them just keep it amongst themselves. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God